Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding exactly how you will use the track, background, feature, or promotional clip. Once you pick the use, check ownership details and publishing split so you know who to contact. Make a quick choice: buy a license, record a royalty-free cover, or find a public domain alternative. You need clear intent to get accurate quotes and clearances. Once done, gather timestamps for the clip length, platforms, and territory where you will publish. You now act. Contact the publisher for sync rights and the label for master rights if you want the original recording. If that's expensive, obtain a mechanical license or use a licensed cover service that handles clearances. When recording a cover, change instrumentation and arrangement enough to avoid automated matches while keeping the song recognizable. Once these agreements are drafted, confirm fees, territory, duration, and credit wording so platforms won't reject or demonetize your content. You finish by uploading with precise metadata: song title, composers, license ID, territories, and timestamps. Make sure credits appear on screen or in descriptions per the license. Once published, monitor content ID and copyright claims daily. Keep contracts and payment receipts handy to counter disputes. If a takedown or claim occurs, immediately present proof of license or re-edit the audio to a cleared cover or shorter clip. If problems persist, contact the platform's dispute team with your documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.